Armstrong here, and in this video I'm going to show you the electrolysis enhancer for the Kangen machine and how to use it. So electrolysis enhancer is basically like a salt solution, and what it does is it gives you the power to increase to 11.5 and 2.5 acidic water. So it gives it the water that extra boost, let's say, when going over the plates. And so where you put this is you take the front off like so, that comes off there. This is your tank for the electrolysis enhancer. And you've got to make sure you look at it, how it's fitted on here, where the arrows point to, and just remember that before you take it off, otherwise you could be fiddly getting it back on again. So you're basically going to turn that anti-clockwise to there, to that arrow points up there. Then you're going to remove it. Place it down so you know which way to put it back on. Take the top off this, fill the electrolysis enhancer in. One of these will fill the whole container if it's empty. You then want to place this back on like so. And then that will simply fit back in here. Press it in so it doesn't go any further. Place this back on. And then you're good to go, and then you can go ahead and your 2.5 and 11.5 will work. Question people ask me is how long will that last? And you'll get roughly 28 litres of acidic water and 11.5 water out of that. So that will, depending on how much you use, if you're completely eco in your home, you might go through one of those every couple of weeks or something. I tend to go through one about once a month. But I think if I went completely eco, I'm about 70% there, it would probably be one every 2 weeks. These are roughly, $4, €5, something like that. I buy a big load of them, so I always have them, and then I can give them out to other people when they buy a Kangen water machine from me as well. So that is the enhancer, very, very simple. Make sure you just have enough so you don't run out. Very useful. Because the 11.5 and the 2.5 are so powerful and so useful in your life. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more questions, then please look in the description below, and you can send me a WhatsApp. I'll get right back to you as soon as I can, and we can be connected there.